Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Tania Martinez from Remax Real Estate Results, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to become an investor of your first home. This is super exciting. Some of you guys have some new plans for this year of 2021. But first, I want to let you guys know that this year I am committed to making videos that will inspire you to work on yourself and start investing in your financial future. So please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. My goal is to reach 20,000 subscribers, so I'd really appreciate it if you guys hit the subscribe button. Thank you. So let's keep going. So the first tip that you guys really need to take into consideration is working on your credit score. Your credit score is so important. Many banks like to see higher credit scores, and many banks won't go below 640. There are some, but if you decide to buy a house with a lower credit score, your interest rate will be higher. So the higher your credit score is, the better chances you guys have of getting a better interest rate. The second step is to have some money saved. This is super important, and I see a lot of people have that misconception that you guys can get into a house with zero down. Yes, there are some programs, but you have to qualify for them, and sometimes they're very strict in their requirements, so it's sometimes really hard to get into those programs. But on average, if you are a first-time home buyer, you can get into a house with as little as 3.5% down on an FHA loan. So let's say you're buying a house that is $200,000 and you need to put 3.5% down on a home. You're going to basically need about $7,000 just for the down payment. The other thing would be closing costs. Closing costs usually range between 3 to 5%. So a good average amount to have for closing costs would be about $5,000. So already you're looking at $12,000. So we'll pay that for you. But as of right now, in the market that we are in an extremely hot market this December 2020. And it's been really tough to find homes because interest rates are low and people are staying in their houses because of the virus. So we want to make sure that we are prepared with our credit score and down payment and any savings that we might have. And the last quick recommendation that I have for you is to save some money for moving expenses. Moving expenses can be very expensive, and hopefully you've got good friends that are willing to help you. But just set aside a few $100 to be able to rent a moving truck or anything that you might need to help you guys move. The last few things that you will need is if you are a W-2 worker, meaning that you have an employer that pays you, you will need your pay stubs and your last year's tax return. If you are a self-employed person like I am, you will need anything proving compensation and your last 2 years tax returns. Of course, there will be more paperwork that the lender will need you to sign, but those are really the things that you will need. And make sure that when you guys are going through the entire process that you guys keep your realtor accountable and your lender accountable. And just a good rule of thumb, make sure that you guys shop around for interest rates. Some banks may be a little bit stricter with their interest rates, some might be a little bit more flexible, so just make sure to shop around. And if you guys have any questions about the home buying process, you guys can check out this video right here where I walk you through the 8 steps on how to buy a home. Or if you guys are interested in buying duplexes or any investment properties in the future, y'all can check out this video where I talk about my experience on how it was to own a duplex. Okay, so that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And if you guys really like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Like I said, my goal is 20K this year, and I'm hoping to reach that by the end of 2021. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.